of you, and I have one friend asking me why I'm very active when I in work. So I said because I take vitamins every day. My husband make for me. This is a full vitamin. So I am not a sponsor of this product, but I just want to share you. So this one I drink is a Labita. It's a mix full of vitamin. It's all kinds of vitamin. So the juice is here. Then my husband make. Then I will drink. This is we drink every morning. So I feel it's good, and then also complete vitamins. I don't take any tablet vitamins, only juice. This is a juice. So the parents of my husband also drink also every day. So I just want to share you why I'm very active.